What's up, what's up? Welcome to day 6 of your 30-day Yoga Trapeze challenge for weight loss and fitness. We are going to be doing a cardio workout today because today is Saturday, ruled by Saturn, very fiery, and tomorrow and Monday are gonna be really restful practices. So we're really gonna push it out for the final day of this week. We'll go ahead and get started by coming into the trapeze. We're gonna sit down. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos if you find that they've helped you in any way. Since this is a free offering, it would just be a really wonderful exchange of energy and would be really appreciated by me because I love to share these videos with you, but it really helps me if you help us grow together. So placing my feet into the straps, making sure that the handle is out of the way. I'm going to reach up for the highest handles and stand up. We're just gonna warm up to start. So I'm going to bend into my left knee as I send the right leg away, press the right arm straight. Exhale back up, inhale, right knee bends, left arm, left leg straight to the side. Exhale up. Let's do that twice more each side. Inhale and exhale, pull it in. Inhale and exhale. Once more each side. Nice, then coming to center, we're gonna turn to face our right leg, then bend both knees, little dip down, pull up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sitting back up, other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, then coming down to sit. We're just gonna let go of those top handles, arching back. Exhale to sit up. If you wanna grab your middle handles, you can. Inhale to arch back. Exhale, sit up. Maybe press those arms away. Inhale in. Exhale, up and press. Nice, last time. And exhale. Okay, so we're gonna be doing HIIT style cardio. My favorite kind of cardio because it has a lot of breaks. We're going to start with a set of jumping jacks, 45 seconds, 15 seconds off, or a form of jumping jacks. Then runners, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. So we're going to stand back up, 45 seconds. Let me get my clock ready. Nice. We're gonna start in 7, 5, 6, 5. We're gonna take the legs out to the side. 3, 2, 1. Out and in. Out and in. If you want more of a challenge, you can grab hold of those middle handles and then press the arms out as the legs come in as the legs go out. Keep breathing. You got it. In and out. 25 more seconds. 15. Less than 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit it back down. Rest for 15 seconds. Whew. Breathing into your body. Get ready in 8. We're gonna lean forward, knees slightly bent, and run it out in 3, 2, 1. Running. Keep going. 30 seconds. Legs are starting to do their own thing. Do whatever you have to do. Keep moving, keep moving. 15 seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Sit it back, but don't miss your hammock. 15 seconds or 10 seconds now for rest. We'll do that one more time, each exercise. Whew. If you need to go to the floor, We're gonna take the legs out to the side. 3, 2, 1, out and in, out and in. If you want more of a challenge, you can grab hold of those middle handles and then press the arms out as the legs come in as the legs go out. Keep breathing. You got it. In and out. 25 more seconds. 15. Less than 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit it back down. Rest for 15 seconds. Whew. Breathing into your body. Get ready in 8. We're gonna lean forward, knees slightly bent, and run it out in 3, 2, 1. Running. Keep going. 30 seconds. Legs are starting to do their own thing. Do whatever you have to do. Keep moving, keep moving. 15 seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. So now we're going to sit down into the hammock. We want to take this up around our shoulders, or if you want a little less support, just around the lower rib cage. We're going to extend one leg, bend one knee, opposite arm, twist. And we'll do that for 45 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin. Can keep the knees closer in, more bent the whole time, or just keep the elbows inside, just working the legs. Whatever feels good for you, maybe even hands on the outside. Keep going. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your 15-second break. The next one that we're gonna do is knees bent, up and in and out, or legs straight, down and up. Again, I'm all about form. So in 2, 1, begin. Find your support. "25 seconds. "15. Get your heart pumping music on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. 15 seconds, then we're going back to the bicycle crunches. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin. Get the arms working however you can, however you want to, inside or outside. Full body cardio. Getting into those fat burning zones. You got it. 25 seconds. 15 seconds. You got this. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We're gonna go back to those crunches or straight legs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling on the extend, exhaling on that in. 25 seconds. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have our last set or round. So dig in deep. What are you doing this for? Do you want to be able to pick up your kids, your grandkids, stay healthy and agile for a long time? What's your reason? Breathing into your body. So we're going to come down off the hammock, just underneath the shoulder blades, not the armpits. Then I'm going to take my feet in line with my hips, let my hips drop underneath the shoulders. You can take your arms around the outside, holding onto your handles or to the hammock itself. Then we're going to exhale. I'm going to lift my left leg, right leg up as I press into my left. Inhale down, sending the hips up. Lift left leg, hips up and down. 2, 1, begin. Really press into that grounded foot. 30 seconds. What are you doing this for? Keep pushing. Even if you have to slow down, don't stop moving. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the next one, we're going to take the feet wide, heels in, toes turned out, lift the hips, lower, up and down as you take the arms out to the side. 2 and 1, begin. Up, down. Really pressing through those hips, but keep the core engaged as you press the hips up. Almost like you're trying to resist bringing your hips up. You got it. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Think of that, whatever it is. Think of your goal. Time is going to pass. You'll be stronger, healthier, more capable. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Then we're going back. This is our last round. 1 set each. You got this. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really press into that heel as you lift your opposite leg. Toes in heel, or lift the heels up for a little bit extra in those glutes and hamstrings. Less than 30 seconds. 20 seconds. I'm gonna be so happy when we're done too. I have been eating, I have been lounging. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15-second rest. Heels in, toes turned out. Legs are wide. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift and press. Exhaling on that exertion up, inhaling on the drop back down. Less than 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, hallelujah. Praise the love and light of the earth. Ah. Let's go ahead and grab the highest handles. Just pressing the arms wide, feet about hip distance apart. We don't want to just dead stop, so let's do some twists, lifting the back heel as we look over the front shoulder, side to side. Ah, deep breaths. Good work, good work. Okay, then we're going to stand, placing your left foot into the hammock, and then let that knee come in as well. Try to walk your foot as far to the right as you can, letting that left knee drop out. Then we'll gently lean out and back. Just giving a little stretch in that glute, or if that's too much, you can just bend that standing knee and lift. Keep breathing. Nice. Once more. Perfect. Then extend that leg out, little bend, and press. If that's not enough stretch, you can lean forward as you press out. Once more. Nice. And taking that leg back in. Other side. Right foot, heel comes to the middle. Knee drops back, so I'm on kind of different parts of my hammock here. Then grabbing hold, so you can either lean it out or just simply bend your standing knee and stand up. If your leg doesn't quite reach, you can always stand on a block, a couple books, sturdy books. 3 more. Nice, then we'll go ahead and extend that leg, straighten out and bend. So if that's a stretch for you, that's great. Or if you want to lean it forward as you kick out, then back as you bend the knee. And then pulling it back in. We'll just go ahead and place the fabric underneath the hip bones. Walk the hands out. You can bring the feet together, knees wide, or just let the knees come down together. Walking the hands out, deep breath. 2 more rounds of breath. Let the neck go. Out through the mouth. Once more. Then nice and slow, coming up to the hands, pulling forward to set the feet down. Nice and slow, pressing into the legs, reaching up tall. Good job. That was not easy. I know, like I said, I have been relaxing. I have been taking a full-on break, eating pasta and cookies, you name it, this whole winter break. So I'm there with you. Guess what? Tomorrow we're going to do a nice relaxing yin session. On Monday we'll do some breath work and meditation, and then Tuesday we'll get back to it. So I love you. Please leave your comments, questions, feedback. Join the Facebook groups linked in the description as well as posted in the comment below. Like, share, subscribe. You're the best.